Hey, I'm Mark, and today I'm going to show you how to lift the sidewalk. The other day we did one where we had to lift one to get roots out, but on this one we're only lifting it because it is sunken. The ground's kind of soft. So what we're going to do is dig out on either side, drive a board, treated board under it, and then take a wedge, drive it up, and I'll saw cut it with a concrete saw to make sure it's clear, and it'll just simply rise up. Well, let's get started. Well, that's the finished product. I brought it up just a little bit higher than I needed, so it's going to settle. I ended up having to put a 1x4 on top of a 1x4 on top of a 1x4 because the ground under it was so soft. As the wedges pushed down, they just kept pushing down instead of the slab coming up. But eventually I hit hard enough ground. I got 3 wedges on each side, and she came right on up. It's a trick we do to fix tripping hazards without having to bust it out and redo it. And eventually the treated lumber will rot, but I'm gonna put some pea gravel under there and cover it back up. Well, I appreciate y'all watching. We'll see y'all on the next one.